Hey everybody, Mr. Eagle Vision here, and welcome back to my channel. I pray that you have been enjoying the content because I have not only been showing up for me, I've been showing up for you, beginners who are ready to go on this social media path with me. All right. So I pray, like I said, you've been enjoying the content. There were a few things that I wanted to talk about in this video. And it's basically for the people who are ready. All right. I want to go down like a clear path for you. Um, I know a lot of people are already motivating you. I know a lot of people are already telling you can do it. But what is the path to the I can do it? Okay. That's why I started Eagle Vision Productions, because so many people could show me how, and so many people could tell me how and encourage me. But nobody ever told me. I take that back. So many people can encourage me to do it, but nobody has ever showed me how to do it. So, what is that clear path of me showing up on social media and getting my brand out there? Okay, there is a path. And the first thing I would do is say, I would start with your mindset. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Nothing other than your mindset. What are your limiting beliefs? What are the things that you think you cannot do? Because we know that you can do all things through, oh, I hear you, Christ that strengthens you. You are enough. Your brand deserves to be heard. I don't know who told you you're not enough. I don't know who said you can't sing good enough. I don't know who said your play wasn't good enough. I don't know who said you couldn't talk well. I don't know who told you that. But since you're here and living and breathing, God said you are more than enough. And so on this journey, I want you to reset your mindset. I want you to reset those limited beliefs and those doubts and those things where you say, I can't do it. I don't look good enough to get on camera. I hate my voice. I hate the way I look. I'm too fat. Yeah, yeah. No. And if you think those things, change it. But you are perfect just the way you are. Somebody needs your juicy self to get up here and talk and smile. Somebody needs the way you get up here and speak. Somebody needs you. So, on this journey, as we create and find our audiences, as we find new people, as we find our niche, before we even get into that, I need you to know that you are enough. I need you to know that you can do it. I need you to know that you may not be perfect. It may not be perfect, but I am going to believe in myself enough to do it. I believe in myself enough to do it. It might not be perfect. It might not be have all the glitz and have all the glamour and have all the nice things that it's supposed to have, but I'm going to work my way to it. And as you go on this journey, as you're renewing your mind, because you have to renew your mind daily, y'all, you may have to invest in some trainings. You may have to invest in some promotion packages. You may have to invest in some things to sharpen you up so that you can get to where you want to go. Because just because you start somewhere does not mean that's the way you're going to finish. You definitely want to continue to grow so that you can be the best. So people can say, okay, now he started with bad lighting, but man, he got a whole production going on. He started getting on here not looking, the best, but wow, look, he's serious about this thing. So I want you to believe that you can do it. Whatever your it is, whatever your niche is, whatever you feel, however you feel like you want to show up for the people, you can do it. You are enough. You will do it. It will be awesome. We rebuke laziness. We rebuke doubt. We rebuke fear. We rebuke procrastination. And we say you will be everything that God has called you to be. God, you will be everything God has called you to be. And so as I minister to you, I don't know if y'all heard that song, but as I minister to you, I minister to myself. I need to hear those things as well. But if you rocking with me and I'm rocking with you, we cannot quit. All right. Now look, I gotta go, but I want to get on here and remind you that you can do it. You will do it. You will grow your audience. You will grow your page. But first of all, you will get your mind right. You will believe in yourself that you can do it. Everything that we've been talking to up to this point, it was getting you ready for this video to say, look, I really can do it. I found my niche. I've been still kind of doubting myself, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to stick with JR, and we're going to go through this whole thing where we're going to create our own digital products. So you can do it. Have a good day.